Yamina Collins here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm making a video about how to apply false eyelashes for beginners using something I call the split eyelash technique, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's when you take a pair of false eyelashes like this and you split them right down the middle and you apply them. And believe me, this is going to make your job of applying false eyelashes so quick, so easy, so hassle-free. So let's go ahead and get started. Obviously, I've already done this eye, so we're going to go and do this eye. Now, the reason that it's important to split the lashes, I think, is because if you take a full strip like this and apply it to your eye using a thick binded lash like this one, which is what I use thick binded lashes, it is going to be much more difficult to use. When you have a thicker binding like this, it does not stay down as easily. Now, the benefit of using thick binded lashes like these is that they simply last longer. I can wear this up to 2-3 weeks at a time. I wear the lashes, I remove them, I clean them off, and they do not rip. If I get a thinner binded lash, after a couple of uses, when I try to clean them off the next day or that same night, they tend to rip. So I think thicker binded lashes are the way to go because they just last longer, and when you take them out of the box, they don't rip. But again, the problem is if you try to put down a whole lash, it tends to kick up. If you put it down on this end, this side will kick up. If you put it down on this side will kick up. At least that's the difficulty I sometimes find. However, when you go ahead and you take the lash and you split it right down the middle like this, just split it right in half. Whoops, it went on my hand. It's gonna just be a lot easier to apply. I have gone ahead and already shaped my lashes before I apply them. You can see here, or perhaps you can't see here, I cut them on this end and then I cut them on the back end because I like them nice and short on the back end here. So just go ahead and shape your lashes however way you want before you apply them, and then let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take my black glue, just apply it right onto this little pad here. All right, and I'm just going to go ahead. And literally this is going to take you just a few seconds to do because it's so simple, so incredibly simple. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just take this lash here, the half strip, and dip it in the glue here. And then what you want to do is you just want to, for me, I follow it right along the base of where I've put my black eyeliner, and kind of, I tend to like to lean my head back a little bit and just apply it right along that lash line. Really simple. And it's just literally going to take you a couple seconds. Boom, just like that, you're done. Go ahead and just kind of hold it down. And it's just like that. Let's do the second side of the strip. Go ahead, take the second side of the strip, dip it into the glue. Again, kind of, I like to lean my head back when I do it, put it right along the eyelash line, hold it down, and of course we're going to meet it so that there's no division. Hold it down like that, and literally that's it. It's that simple, and you're done. And that's why I just love to split the lashes, because it's just so quick, it's so simple, it's so easy. Of course, you want to clean the look up a little. Okay, let's go ahead and clean the look up after you've applied the lashes. A lot of times for me, I'll get dust under the eyes because I put dust, not dust, what am I saying, dust? I put powder over my eyelids, and so I'll get sort of powder under the eye here. So I'll go ahead, and I like to use, if you guys have been following my channel, you know I love to wear face paint as eye makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and use my black face paint, and we're going to go ahead and just kind of clean up under the eye here. Make sure everything is nice and black and that it matches and that there's no visible skin under the eye there. Just kind of, let's fix this. And then we're going to go ahead and use the same face paint and put it over the eye here to make sure that there's no visible line where you can see the division of the two separate eyelashes. I'm wearing some fun green and yellow face paint eye makeup right now. We'll have to clean that up. That got on a bit of the yellow. Hold on. Because we got some of the black glue over the yellow. So let's clean that up as much as we can. Yeah. And then boom, voila, that's it. It's that simple. Like I said, if you split the lashes in half, it's going to take you like 10 seconds just to apply it, as opposed to using a whole strip. So go ahead, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.